This is Junkyard Revival. Vinyl leather cleaner, leather renew. It's the 1-2 combo for leather seats. The dramatic difference in this is night and day. Okay, so while we've been sitting here waiting on our tire to completely dry to apply acrylic, we were presented with an opportunity that we could not pass up. And it's actually been, outside of the metal polish, it's been one of our most popular products and videos on Junkyard Revival, and it is Black Trim Renew. So I was sitting here talking to Abby, and I thought this was gray. It is actually black. You can see back here, it is faded so bad that it is literally gray. It is chalky and gray. So we thought, what a great time to show our product, Black Trim Renew, because this is exactly what this product is made for, and what it's going to do to this is really pretty incredible. So we're going to tape this off here because it doesn't work without tape. We're going to tape it off and then just apply this black trim and show you how well it can actually restore this faded trim. This area here is definitely the worst, so that's the area we're going to do. I like to start with the worst, see what it does. A little applicator that comes with it, great for applying the black trim. This product truly has a dye in it, so it is not just a dressing that's going to dress it up, it is truly restoring. So we just apply it. Good thing about it too is if you can tape it off around the edges. Obviously we're in a junkyard, we don't really, it's not too big of a deal to us. It'll wipe right off. If you get it right before it dries, it'll wipe right off, no problems. But you can see what it's done to this trim. If you were doing this at your house, you want to clean it real well first. It'll make it last even longer. But this is truly a restoration product that is bringing back your faded trim to a like new. In a few minutes it'll be dry to the touch, but you can see when the dramatic difference in this is night and day. It'll dry very soon in the sunlight, be dry to the touch. Just a truly remarkable product when it comes to faded trim. Even like on something like this, your bumper, these bumper covers that get faded out really easily. It's bringing it back. I'll show them the top of this. So you can see the top of that. This is not a product that's just going to last a day or so or come off in the first rain either. This product is truly restoring and will bring your faded trim back to life. Definitely a must-have product if you got any kind of black trim on your car. Black Trim Renew. Making trim great again. We did this before. Ford f***ing Ranger. Yeah.
Leather Renew? Is that leather?
Oh, it's like a, yeah, it is leather, but it's just so sun faded. It'll be perfect. Yeah, so let's set it up here, get it drying out. Hang on. Let's get it. Yep. Okay. Yeah, we'll hit it with some leather cleaner and then leather renew it. Bad to the bone. Bad to the bone. As we were walking through here earlier, we found this chair that was just sitting out, and we actually thought it was cloth because it's so like chalky and, you know, just been sitting out forever. Well, it's not, it's leather. Maybe pleather, but it is our next victim here. We set it up to let it dry out because it had some water on it. You can see here, this is where it had some water, a little bit of dirt, never hurt. But we're going to tape this thing off, and we're going to use our vinyl and leather cleaner to get it all cleaned up, and then we're going to put Leather Renew, because this is what Leather Renew is for, a true restoration product that is going to seep into the leather and bring it back to life. So I'll tape this thing off and we'll get started. It's so dry the tape don't even want to stick to it. One of the new things we've got since we were last out here are these Scrub Ninjas. These are great little scrub pad that you can use for leather, vinyl. Just works really, really well. So we're going to use our vinyl and leather cleaner, clean this thing up, and then we'll put some Leather Renew on it and see what we can do. See how dirty. I mean, man, we has really lifted off some contamination there. I mean, you can already see how well it's cleaned it up. Now it's still dry a little, so we're going to put this Leather Renew on there and see what that does for it. Leather Renew. Just throw you a couple little bit on there. It smells great too. This is out in direct sunlight, dry pretty fast. What I would recommend is once that you do this at your house or whatever, once you get it done, let it dry just a little bit, and you can rub a towel over it just to any excess product you may have left. And you can see, even after wiping it down, getting all the product off there, any leftover. Look at how big of a difference this makes when cleaning and protecting. This is back like new. This is ready. This is shiny, so we're right out in the sunlight, but what an incredible difference. Leather Renew is bringing back seats that have been sun-baked and sitting out here in the junkyard that are beyond repair. And this is how we like to put the products to the true test. Probably never going to encounter a seat this bad, and this is the whole point of Junkyard Revival. The reason we came up with this idea is we want to, in the way of social media today, you can put anything out there, and it even shows by a lot of our videos that a lot of people believe it's skeptical or believe there's cutting or editing in videos. And that's the reason we started doing this series, is because we wanted to show live, real world results. I shouldn't say real world, but live results in the most extreme environment. So that's why we started this series, and that's what a demonstration like this right here does. When you use vinyl leather cleaner on something so bad, so chalky as this is, and then protect it with Leather Renew, this is the kind of results you can get on something this bad. So vinyl leather cleaner, Leather Renew, it's the 1-2 combo for leather seats.